I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed. Before you learn to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you loved me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed. Like I was just your last regret. And maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed. And every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind.
Walking past the old bakery, the morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, the ghost I chase, looking at me through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. flower shop where you'd always pause. Still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as our own. Through places we once called our home, each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot beat. Through alleyways and memories sweet, your presence lingers incomplete. Autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by.
Morning light spills soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love that you have right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Something like a promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through fragments of a life I outgrew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I